Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preparing replacement ear pads and basic tools, then remove the old pads. Use a flat plastic pick or your fingernail to lift the ear cushion edge, working slowly from the seam to avoid tearing. Once you have a gap, peel the pad back around the cup evenly. Make sure to keep track of any clips or adhesive strips, save them. If foam backing sticks, gently work it free with isopropyl on a microfiber cloth. Label the parts so reassembly is straightforward. Now attach the new pads by aligning the seam and pressing in stages to secure clips or adhesive. Start at the bottom, tuck the lip under the plastic rim, then roll the pad into place while applying even pressure. This prevents wrinkles and gaps. If adhesive backing is present, peel progressively as you press to avoid misalignment. Make sure foam sits centered over the speaker and that input holes align with sensors. Take short pauses to inspect fit before moving to the next ear cup. Finish by checking seal and comfort, then test audio and microphone. Press each pad firmly for 10 to 15 seconds to ensure adhesive bonds, and then wear the headphones for a brief test session. Listen for bass response and balance changes that indicate an air seal problem. If you notice noise or loose edges, remove and reseat the pad immediately. Troubleshooting. If sound is muffled, verify the foam layer wasn't reversed and that sensors or grills are unobstructed. Replace adhesive or clips if the pad shifts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.